be a tiger. It's fighting really good. This might be a tiger. Or a good bull. Good size, whatever it is. Oh no! Oh, still good. Okay. Oh, we're in the deucer. We're in the deucer. I don't want to be in the deucer. Oh man, this is a good fight. This might be a tiger. This might be our tiger. This might be a tiger. Looks like a tiger. Come on, get out of the deucer. Oh, I think that's a long fish. You can get it out of this. That's a tiger. That's a big fish. That's a big long fish. Whoa! Yeah, that's a tiger. That is a long fish. This thing is... Oh, we got the leader. Okay, we got the leader. There he goes again. Oh man, come on. I kind of want to get the deucer out of the way. He's at the top. That's a big fish. He's still got a lot of fight in him though. Whoa! Is that a rainbow? Oh my god, that might be a rainbow. Whoa! 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 Oh my god, that thing is huge. Oh my god.